Recon, man. Got us a seat repair on a Mazda CX-30. And steering wheel repair. We got us a steering wheel repair on a Chevy Silverado as well. Seat doesn't need repaired, but it could use a good scrubbing. So we'll scrub it. If it needs dyed afterwards, we'll do that as well. Back with the finished product. Already shut the car off so I can't spin the wheel, but she looks really good for all the wear it was. The seat cleaned up really well, and I put a layer of dye over the top of it. Even though it cleaned up, it made the scratches and stuff show a little more after I cleaned it, so I just gave it a nice little coat. That wraps this Chevy Silverado up. Over to the Mazda CX-3. Seat repair. Hole is gone. Steering wheel. Looks 1,000 times better. That does it for these two repairs. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.